Vinyl is experiencing a golden age, with sales in the US rising steadily for over 15 years. Whether you're a seasoned audiophile or just starting your vinyl journey, finding the right turntable is essential to enjoying your records. To help you make the best choice, we've compiled a list of the top 5 turntables for 2025. From budget-friendly options to high-end models with premium features, there's something here for every listener. Whether you need built-in Bluetooth, USB connectivity, or the finest sound quality, we've got you covered. Our team at AHTips has thoroughly tested each of these turntables to bring you the most accurate reviews. Let's dive into the top 5 best turntables of 2025, starting with number 5, Fluance RT81. Is a fantastic entry point for vinyl enthusiasts, offering a balance of simplicity and upgradability. With a straightforward setup and excellent build quality, it's a user-friendly option that doesn't compromise on sound. This turntable is equipped with a built-in phono preamp, so you can easily connect it to powered speakers or an amplifier. For those looking to expand their setup, the preamp can be turned off, allowing you to use a more powerful external preamp. During our testing, the RT81 impressed us with its warm, detailed sound, making it a great choice for listeners who appreciate the classic vinyl experience. However, there are a couple of limitations to keep in mind. While the RT81 includes an auto-off feature to stop the platter at the end of a record, you'll need to manually return the tone arm to its resting position. Additionally, it lacks automated cueing, which may not appeal to users who prefer a fully automated experience. If automation is a priority, the Denon DP-300F might be a better fit. That said, the Fluance RT81 is an excellent all-rounder for those who want a reliable turntable that delivers great sound and can be upgraded over time. Whether you're just starting out or looking for a solid mid-range option, the RT81 is well worth considering. Number 4. Sony PS-LX310BT is a standout choice for anyone seeking simplicity, affordability, and convenience in a turntable. Designed with user-friendliness in mind, this model is perfect for beginners and those who value a straightforward setup. With a built-in phono stage and pre-fitted cartridge, the PS-LX310BT is ready to go straight out of the box. You won't need to worry about additional equipment, making it a true plug-and-play option. The turntable's sleek black design may not be premium, but it's perfectly acceptable given the price. One of its standout features is Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to stream your vinyl to up to 8 devices, including wireless speakers and headphones. In our testing, we found the Bluetooth range to be impressive, maintaining a stable connection up to 10 meters away. But what about sound quality? The PS-LX310BT delivers a rich, full-bodied sound that exceeded our expectations for its price range. While it doesn't match the clarity of high-end models like the Pro-Ject debut Carbon EVO, it offers excellent value for those looking to join the vinyl resurgence without breaking the bank. Overall, the Sony PS-LX310BT is a cost-effective, user-friendly option that's perfect for newcomers to the world of vinyl. Number 3. Denon DP-300F is a turntable that combines elegant design with convenience, making it a great option for both beginners and experienced vinyl enthusiasts. This fully automatic turntable offers a seamless listening experience, allowing you to focus on enjoying your music without worrying about manual adjustments. One of the DP-300F's standout features is its automatic start-stop mechanism, which returns the tone arm to its resting position once the record is finished. This prevents unnecessary needle wear and is especially handy for those who like to listen to music while relaxing or multitasking. The included DSN-85 cartridge provides a balanced sound with good detail and an airy feel, although it may not be the most precise option for audiophiles. Build quality is solid, though the plastic buttons feel a bit less premium than we'd like. Still, this is a minor drawback for a turntable that delivers such a high-quality experience at this price point. While it lacks USB connectivity, the DP-300F is perfect for those who prefer a simple, straightforward setup. If you're looking for a reliable, fully automatic turntable with a touch of sophistication, the Denon DP-300F should be on your shortlist. Number 2. Audio-Technica AT-LP120XBT-USB is a feature-packed turntable that caters to a wide range of users, from aspiring DJs to casual listeners. Modeled after the iconic Technics SL1200, this turntable combines classic design with modern technology. The AT-LP120XBT-USB includes a direct drive motor, stroboscope, and pitch control, making it a versatile option for mixing and playback. Its built-in phono stage ensures compatibility with various audio setups, while Bluetooth connectivity and USB output add extra convenience. Whether you want to stream your records wirelessly or digitize your vinyl collection, this turntable has you covered. During our testing, we found the sound quality to be impressive for its price range. The turntable delivers clear, detailed audio with a slight emphasis on the mid-range, making vocals particularly engaging. While it may not have the power and precision of higher-end models, its versatility and performance make it a great all-rounder. If you're looking for a turntable that can do it all, the Audio-Technica AT-LP120XBT-USB is a fantastic choice. Number 1. Pro-Ject Debut Carbon EVO. The Pro-Ject Debut Carbon EVO is our top pick for 2025, offering a perfect blend of style, performance, and functionality. This premium turntable is designed for audiophiles who want the very best in vinyl playback. Featuring a new motor design, automatic speed control, and improved ergonomics, the Debut Carbon EVO is a significant upgrade from its predecessors. It's available in 9 stunning finishes, ensuring it looks as good as it sounds. When it comes to audio quality, the Debut Carbon EVO is unmatched in its class. It delivers a detailed, immersive listening experience, capturing every nuance of your favorite records. During our testing, we were particularly impressed by its ability to handle complex arrangements with ease, providing a rich, natural sound that's perfect for any genre. While it's the most expensive turntable on our list, the Pro-Ject Debut Carbon EVO is worth every penny for those who demand the best. If you're serious about vinyl, this is the turntable to get. That wraps up our list of the top 5 best turntables of 2025. We hope this video helped you find the perfect match for your vinyl setup. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments which turntable caught your eye. Don't forget to check the description for links to all the products mentioned and subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.